it's Lisa. Welcome back to my channel. I really appreciate you stopping by. Today I have a reveal and a slight unpackaging. I recently have been watching Natasha Newton on YouTube, and she was doing her big art haul, and she was doing luminous, Caran D'Ache Luminas pencils, and I just loved the colors. I got rid of my other colored pencils, so I didn't have any. I have watercolor pencils, but I don't have any colored pencils anymore. I got rid of my set and I gave them away to a relative who likes to do art. And I just thought it would be kind of cool to actually do some of the, she has a lot of videos out where she shows her sketchbook or does color with me kind of sessions. And I was like, it would actually be kind of cool to sketch some of the stuff that she's doing and just a colored pencil, because I just don't think about doing it. I always lay down my stuff with regular charcoal pencils, and then I kind of either fill them in with watercolor paint or gouache, and I erase the lines and that kind of stuff, or I outline as needed. So I basically thought it would be a good idea to swatch the colors that I just recently received from Blick. I went up to Blick in DC, and I got these colors. I wanted a spring palette. Now she's doing a palette for winter, autumnal, autumn, and I think nightscapes. And her color selection is beautiful, and I use that as a springboard to do more of a spring-oriented palette. And I'm missing a couple of the colors off of what I wanted. So I need a yellow and a blender pencil if I can hopefully get one. I will tell you this, all the views and opinions of Caran D'Ache are my own. I bought all the supplies with my own funds, and I'm getting ready to go to a different area of the country that I've not been, and I really want to see if I can kind of capture some of what I'm seeing in that area while I'm there. COVID and all. I'll be safe, I promise. But these are the colors that I picked up off of the Luminous 6901 line. I've got brown, orca, apricot, rose, red, it's actually red, Herculean red, the hibiscus plum, the vert or moss green, the Payne's Gray 30%. This is one of the reasons why I do like Caran D'Ache. Excuse me, I'm going to stop really quick here and explain why I'm getting these over my, I have Faber-Castell Polychromos, but they don't have these colors and these nice muted kind of soft shades that I think that spring kind of comes in, which made me go out and really get them. I got some pencil shavings on that moss green. They're beautiful colors. My Blick did not have the indigo, which I actually really wanted their indigo. So I'm throwing in my Polychromos indigo, and I'm also throwing in a white Jelly Roll pen for highlights. But the one thing about Caran D'Ache, and I have their watercolor pencils, but I don't have their colored pencils. I like how they have degrees of a color, like Payne's Gray 30% and Sepia 10%, because sepia is a pretty dark color in and of itself, and so it's really nice to be able to get a percentage thereof of that color. So I wasn't able to get indigo blue, so I got the blue Indothrone, I think is how it might be called, or Indothrone, Indothrone blue. I really like it. I wrote down the French versions I noticed, as well as the English ones. The middle Verde Green, which is like a gray green, which is absolutely a beautiful color. I got the French gray because I couldn't get some of the other grays, or I decided not to get like the light gray and the dark gray because I really didn't see any different than what I have for my Polychromos, but it's dark enough for what I want for any kind of nightscapes. Sorry, a little bit of a writing issue here. I loved this ultramarine violet as my soft purple, the burnt sienna, and then I got, again, sepia 10%, and I got my Faber-Castell Polychromos in the indigo. So those are the colors that I'm going to use for coloring pencils for the spring of this year in 2021. Additionally, I was able to, I'm going to have to lay down a protective sheet because I can see the carryover already on this one. This is just like one of the travel log books that I got from a local art store here in the metropolitan DC area. But this package came, and I ordered these from Marie Kondo's website, out of all places. She might be a minimalist in her style, but she's got a lot of stuff on her site. I guess you just don't buy everything if you're trying to be a minimalist, but this was one of the gift sets that she had. And I saw these a long time ago on a Japanese stationery site, which no longer is up for sending stuff to the United States, probably due to COVID. And I really liked these a long time ago, and I was able to see them on her site, and I was like, I've got to get these. And these are what I'm going to go ahead and swatch out today. And I apologize because I usually get rid of all kind of things that become a barrier, but we're going to have a little bit of ASMR on this one. Get rid of that. I keep the bubble wrap because I'm like most people, I like to pop the bubbles. Wow, okay, there's a piece of tape there too. Sorry about that, guys. I usually, like I said, get rid of this kind of packaging. But you know, if you ever order anything from Marie Kondo, it will be well packaged when you get it. And hopefully one more, and that should do it. And that's it. All right. These are vegetable crayons, and I've always been interested in it. I love these because a few reasons. One, they're going to be child friendly if you're going to get these for kids, because they're made out of vegetables, although I wouldn't say eat them, but if they happen to stick them to their mouths, as kids can sometimes do things, you shouldn't worry about toxicity of anything. Two, they're made out of vegetable. So I like that because then it's, you know, plant friendly, planet friendly. I got the 10. They have another one that has 5 colors, but I just figured I would just go ahead and get the 10 pack, and then I would have a wide range of color. And again, I just like the idea of, I'm trying to explore my mixed medias with my stuff, and it would be fun to actually do it with these 10 colors. Let me see if the box actually outlays what the names of these are, and I will, oh yeah, they do. On the back here, they have the colors. So starting with this set of 5, we have cabbage, leek, yam, burdock, and corn. So I will write those down. I'm going to just use my Platinum Preppy fountain pen. And these are called, I don't want to, okay, so these are by Japan Creation. And they're the vegetable crayons. Ten standard colors. Should have planned out the space a little bit better on that one. Okay, so we have cabbage, leek, yam, burdock, and corn. And then for the second colors, we have, second set is carrot, apple, cassis, purple potato, and bamboo charcoal. If I can spell. All right, so let's just cut that one out. This is cabbage. Nice pretty green. It's almost like a sap green color. And this is leek. I'll press kind of hard so I can see light to dark. That's leek. Sorry, I'm straddling a tripod here. This is yam. These colors are really a lot of fun. It's almost like playing with pastels again. Burdock. Sorry for the shaking. Can't be helped. Coloring. This is corn. Light to dark. And what I'll do is I'll just hold these up at the end. Carrot. Apple. Cassis. Purple potato. I love how softly muted these colors are too. And the charcoal bamboo. Nice rich gray. Oh, they're lovely. So that's what they look like. I think the only thing that would have been kind of cool in this palette is a blue is missing. So I wish they would have done maybe a couple more colors, like a blueberry and a raspberry, just to get a little bit more of a darker red going on, because this is almost like a peachy. I don't know if the light is doing justice off of the cell phone, but this is almost like a peachy kind of apple color. This cherry is, the cassis is good for like a red, but I just wish it was like more like a strawberry and a blue. I think we need blueberry in this outline for the colors. But I'm gonna have fun with those. I'll play with those and let you know how I feel about those once I start to utilize them. And that's pretty much it. I just wanted to go ahead. I'll put the links below for the these colors and where I got these crayons at. I don't know how the stock is going to be on her website. I'm gonna actually check the 5-pack just to see if she has the blue in it, because I really would like to get a blue. And I'll put the link below too. I got these off of Blick Arts in the United States. They also sell these on, of course, Amazon. Word of caution though, this is gonna give you sticker shock. It was like, I thought polychromos were expensive. Caran D'Ache is like twice as much as a polychromos pencil. So anybody who's a fan, just be prepared to pay like close to $4.50 per pencil for these. So I had to like scale back. I had like 20 in my hand and I was like, they're too expensive. So I hope you like this reveal. Have a good day and stay safe and stay healthy out there. And I'll talk to you next time. Take care. Bye.